What on, guys? This is JJ Gold and welcome back to my next video. I'm doing another video again. I'm reacting to Soberbian again. Can't speak to Jamaicans again, part 4. I know you guys thinking why am I doing it backwards. It's because I didn't know it made the part 5. I just noticed that YouTube about a few weeks ago. So I'm doing it backwards. So I'm reacting to Can't Speak Jamaican part 4. So yeah guys, if you guys want to watch the original video, make sure it'll be the link in the description down below. Yeah, it always be. And yeah, let's go with it. It's Can't Speak to Jamaican part 4. And yeah guys. Yeah go oh flipping hell man, this is pissing me off already. It's alright, yeah go.
Shut up! Get a knife and cut it, my youth.
You cut it, my youth.
Get a knife and cut it, my
Get a knife and cut it, my youth.
Get a knife and cut it, in my youth. What do you mean? What are we doing? My youth.
You bomber clot.
My youth just gonna calm the body, my youth. After we tell you, stop calm the body, my youth. Just gonna calm the body, my youth. Stop calm the body, my youth. What are we doing?
Oh shit, man. He's funny as hell, man.
Every day you calm my body, now you're young man,
Beatty boy. Why does he end his videos like that? Yeah, guys. I'm going to react to part 3 after. Yeah, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I love you, and peace out.